What's up, Both Lighting USA? Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your IR-4s. So first you're going to flip the light over and remove the 4 screws that I'm pointing to here. Just to remind you guys that Both Lighting USA does have a warranty and repair department that can take care of these things for you. We will have your lights repaired and back to you within 7 business days. And then flip it to the side here and remove the 2 screws from either side that's holding the metal casing together. Just a little bit more about that warranty repair program that we have. We will replace, repair, or refund with no questions asked. Alright, you're going to want to try to remove the top glass from there. Yep, set that aside. And then you're going to want to push the components out of the metal casing very gently. Yep. And now you're going to look for a wire that is connecting your battery to the rest of the light. Located right here in the center where I'm pointing. You're going to want to remove that connection. So now we can unscrew the battery and remove it from the light right there in the center. Yep, so I'm going to flip it to the underside now. And unscrew the 2 screws that I'm pointing to here. One there, one there. That will release your battery from its space where it is being held down. Alright, and now you're going to slip the battery out on either side, and it should come out nice and easy. You're going to take that metal bar right there and set that aside for now. You're going to need that. You're going to pull out your new battery, open that up. Alright, you're going to want to put the new battery in with the wire facing the side of the light that has the rest of the wirings in. I'm going to put that metal bar back and then reconnect the light to the middle. Reconnect the battery to the middle. And then you're going to want to screw the battery back into place with those 2 screws you removed. And then you can screw the light back together, reversing the steps from the beginning of the video. And of course, if you guys ever have any questions about anything that you've seen here, you can hit up the repair department and we will help you with any further issues you may have. We appreciate you guys choosing Both Lighting USA for all your lighting needs. Peace.